Hi! Today we would like to introduce to you a very special workshop, Signor Blum. They create marvelous puzzles made out of wood, and every single operation is entirely done by hand. Here we have Laura, who cuts the wood into small pieces that will be eventually assembled. And here Laura is smoothing the wood to make it perfect so that it can be colored. Here Francesca instead starts playing with all these objects. That's the funny part, isn't it? She disassembles all the different pieces, as you can see, and then she divides them into different groups depending on the color that they will have to be painted of. And here she goes. She starts painting all the different pieces. The colors that are used are water-based, so they're absolutely natural. The operation, as you can see, is pretty easy, but the paint is prepared every time differently, and so the different shades of colors are all particular. There is not one piece that is exactly identical to another one. The puzzle that they are creating now is the Frari Church, which is a church, by the way, not far away from the place where the workshop is located. So one color is done, and then another color is prepared for some other pieces. The operation is simple, and I bet it's a lot of fun. And now, after the color is completely dry, and it takes about 20 hours, here is the funniest part of all. Francesca assembles again all the pieces to recreate the entire puzzle. You can actually play with these objects. They are fantastic just to have them on your table or on your desk, but children actually can play with these puzzles, although paying a little bit of attention to the small and fragile details. Actually, children, when they enter this shop, they would never go out amazed by the forms, by the colors that they find. And here are the final pieces. And eventually, the Frari Church is ready. Come and meet the two Francescas and Laura at Signor Blum. Ciao!